chose from the resort collection. Now I know it's not summer anymore, but these are still perfect pieces to add when you do go on those resort vacation styles. And I do have a piece that I feel like is elegant enough to wear every single day. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another fall Pinterest video where I take 4 outfits that I was inspired to recreate from my Pinterest board using my own wardrobe. I'm excited, we've got some really good ones. Pinterest has been popping off with outfit inspiration, and if you do not use Pinterest as a way to kind of inspire your day-to-day looks, look into building what your style truly is, it can be used so many different ways. But I absolutely love Pinterest. I think it really is helpful when I have the shopping bug and I want to keep buying more and more pieces. I use Pinterest to kind of see what I'm lacking from my wardrobe, but also get inspiration to fall back in love with my own wardrobe. So I have 4 fun outfits that we're going to style, chit chat, talk, and build together. But before I jump in, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is HEFANG. So if you've never heard of HEFANG, I first found out about them. They are a jewelry brand. I found out about them when I saw them in a Vogue article, but I absolutely love it because I feel like their jewelry really represents my personality. I'm very like fun and just like to play around with different things, and I'm really gearing that towards jewelry recently. I've been playing at my jewelry pieces a lot more, and they are a female founded brand. So Sun HEFANG was studying in London, and well, she created this brand, and this brand really represents her elegant, sparkly, chic, and fun personality, and she puts it into her jewelry, and I feel like you can really tell. She's got some super unique fun pieces that are more like destination type pieces, and then she has some more everyday beautiful wears. So I wanted to share some of the pieces that I grabbed. So the first one being the vacation shell necklace. I love how this is such a playful, unique design with the charms on it. I think charms are always really cool, but I think this one is a little bit more elegant. This piece is obviously great for vacation. I love the different materials used in this. You've got different sides of the pearl-like beads, you've got the gold, and then you've got the crystals in there of the blue and the clear. I truly envision wearing this on the beach, like on a vacation, with just a basic plain white linen dress. I think it would be absolutely stunning. Next up, we have the starry shell. I have the earrings and the necklace, so a perfect little set. I love this like starlit effect, like a nighttime sky look. I like that it's also kind of like scattered upon the pieces, so it's not like super uniform and just kind of gives a really organic feel, which I think you will see in all of her pieces personally. It's very minimalist yet and very elegant design, and I love that the 2 pieces go together. They're not too much, they're just the perfect amount for this set. Love. And then last but not least, the earrings that I can truly see myself wearing all the time. These are their quartz pearl earrings, and these have the clear quartz at the top with the freshwater pearls down below. A very organic feel with the freshwater pearls, but also the clear quartz. These are perfect for a more elevated everyday wear. I definitely have my like everyday pieces nailed down, but I'm definitely looking to kind of build up my more fun jewelry and really use it as a way to elevate my everyday outfits. So if you are in that same boat, HEFANG is definitely a place where you can find unique designs that really truly are not carried everywhere else. So big shout out again to HEFANG for partnering with me on today's video, and let's go ahead and jump into the outfits. I'm in love with these pearl earrings. Fun fact, my first like real jewelry was my 21st birthday. My dad bought me a pair of pearl earrings, and I wore the heck out of them, but these are definitely a more like mature look, if that makes sense. Those were just like little studs. But anyway, so let's jump in to look number 1. This is the inspiration photo. So fall, so cute. I'm gonna make some tweaks. Obviously, this is inspiration, not replication, but let's start. Let's put on my like, she's kind of like a baggy jeans. Let's put on my Uniqlo jeans. Let's pop these on. She just has kind of like a medium wash baggy jean, which that's exactly what these are. If you have not gotten your hands on these, maybe you don't like baggy jeans. I get it, okay. Next up, I'm gonna throw on like a striped, I think hers is a sweater. I have like a polo style sweater that I'm gonna throw on. It's kind of similar in terms of colorway. So let's do that. This outfit is definitely giving like 70s, and I'm kind of here for it. So I'm gonna button mine kind of all the way up to the top, since hers is like more buttoned up. I'm gonna tuck it in, and she has a belt, so let's pop on a belt. I don't have like chunky black loafers like that, so I'm just gonna pair my boat shoes, which I think will get the job done and look really cute with this outfit as well. Let's do a little half up, half down look. That way you can really see the earrings too. So cute. I'm trying not to use the word I'm obsessed, but I'm sorry, I am. Okay. So base of the outfit on, again, very 70s, very like, I don't know, cool. All right, jacket time. She has like a barn coat on. Cute. Okay, and then she has glasses, I'm pretty sure. I think they're just like regular glasses and not sunglasses. And you all know, I've been rocking with these so hard. They just complete every outfit. It's just perfect. So this was look number 1. And I think she's just got to crunch the like, this is cool. This is giving like chic, fun, 70s, kind of grungy, kind of all baggy on baggy, but I like it. Very cute. Definitely something different. I mean, I own all these pieces. I probably would have never put them together, but they look really cool. So this was look number 1. What do you guys think? Her, me, did I nail it? I think I nailed it. Love it. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2 I feel like is a really good transition type of look, specifically for me. Now I'm 99% sure she has linen pants on, but I'm gonna do my white jeans because I feel like if I did the white linen, it would be very like, I don't know. I feel like it'll make it a little more fall time. I don't know if that's true, but we're gonna try it. So you guys know from my like fall wish list and my fall like haul, I wanted a denim, dark denim top like this, and this is exactly how I kind of envisioned it. So let's put on white jeans. I'm gonna put on my quince ones. They're slightly cropped as well, whereas my linen pants are very long, so I think this will look good. So let's pop those on really quick. I am trying to snag these jeans in brown, but they're always out of stock. But I want them in brown in a bigger size so they're a little bit more slouchy, but these are a really good fitting jean. I like sliced the crap out of the like bendy part of my finger. I was like cleaning the spinach off the knife, and normally I can just like, I just like slid my finger across it, and I didn't realize that this part was like down touching it. The girl sliced it bad. Anyway, okay, so like slightly cropped, but not really, just a good like length of a jean. Okay, I'm gonna throw on my red little flats. She has something a little bit different, but we're still gonna rock our jelly ones because it's still like warm enough. These are sold out like everywhere. I think I found them someplace similar, but I love these little red jelly flats. I think they're adorable. Okay, let's put on a white tank that's gonna go underneath our denim jacket. Shirt, jacket, whatever. So this is slightly cropped, but I'm probably just gonna wear mine like fuller length because I don't really like to hang my stomach out. Then she just has kind of like the top 2 buttoned, which I have been loving that look. I cannot find the glasses that I just had up here. I have no idea what I did with them. They would be perfect for this look if I could find them, but I can't, so yeah. Okay, so this is kind of how she has it. What did I just do with my clip? Am I losing my brain? What the? This is giving a little bit, well, not super fall-y, but I think it'll work. Cute. Okay. Now she has a bag. Let's look. I think it's cute. I think it looks better on her, to be honest with you. I think it might look better with linen pants, to be honest. But I feel like the jeans scream more fall than whatnot, but she also could not be dressing for fall. This could be a different look. I think the biggest thing that I feel is different than mine with all of the outfits that I've done with this dark denim shirt is that mine doesn't have white buttons, and everyone I'm seeing has white buttons. So I think that's what really kind of throws me. But this is still really cute, and these earrings look perfect with this outfit. So look, kind of leaning a little less fall-y, but honestly, fall in Texas. This is fall in Texas, and I still feel like people wear white jeans a lot here. I don't know, but I like it. I think it's cute. I think she nailed it better than I did, but what do you all think? Such is life. That happens. All right, let's move on to look number 3. Okay, look number 3 is very much Texas in the fall, okay? So bear with me on this one. Yeah, it's gonna look like, you're gonna be like, girl, not everyone can wear this. But I was just in Chicago, and it was hecka warm, so I feel as though we can still get away with this. So let's put on our white denim shorts. Yes, I'm still wearing a lot of white denim clearly, but white denim shorts, and we'll build the outfit. Very stiff because I just washed them because I had a stain all over them. I can't wear white shorts without getting a stain on them. My jeans, not as big of an issue, but my shorts, always. Make it make sense. Next up, oh, I do need to get my brown hat. I don't know where that is. Ah, here we go. Okay. She has like a tan hat, but I'm gonna do just my brown hat because it's most similar. Let's put on some flippy flops. Brown leather makes it fall, okay? I don't make the rules, it just does. You could also, if you wanted a closed toe shoe, wear your boat shoes, clogs, anything like that. I'm not gonna lie, her like pants are really cute, her shorts, because she has like a tie on them, which I really like. But also it's kind of just giving shoelace tied around the waist, which I could do if I wanted to, but I don't need to. Here down. She has an anklet too, which I don't have an anklet. You're gonna imagine I do. And she has a really cute dog just like jumping on her leg. If that was Scout, he would have knocked me over. I don't have that cute dog. I mean, I have a cute dog, but he's different. Okay, so we're just gonna go brown hat. And this is the look. I think an insanely easy, cute fall outfit. Basic, brown on brown with the white. It's a cute little pop, it works. The sweater is perfection, I love it. It's from Quince, obviously. It also looks like she has some glasses on, kind of. Which, again, cutesy. So like. Number 3, I think we nailed this. This is a great Texas fall sort of look, but it's still 100 degrees outside, so don't let it fool you. But adorable. Love this. Very cozy, very comfy. Let's move on to the 4th and final look, shall we? Which is very kind of coastal-y sort of look to it. So we are going to throw on our like white linen shorts and then like a creamy oatmeal-y sweater, and then we will build the outfit. As you can see, her, and we'll see what I can do. I really do love white linen shorts with like an oversized sweater. I think it's really cute. And I just forgot that, and now I remembered it. I think she's wearing more boxer shorts, but I don't own white boxer shorts, so we're going with our white linen shorts. So the sweater is currently sold out on Quince, and I really hope they bring it back because this is one of my favorite sweaters like of all time. It's just so good. Okay, and it also is perfect and fits perfectly with these. Now I can't see what shoes she's wearing, but I just got the cutest boots and I'm kind of really into styling them, so we're gonna put those on. They are like, kind of like, why can't I think of those Blundstone boots, which I own, but these are in rubber and they're green and they're adorable. And rain boots are like totally coming back. I love the little tabs on these. I would wear them with socks, so before everybody loses their dang mind. But also you don't have to, because they're just cute. Okay, but I think this outfit, wait until you see the full picture, I think will look absolutely adorable. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! So they're kind of like a gray green sort of look, and then she has a brown coat on. I think I'm gonna go with my longer one than my shorter one. This is like the epitome of fall because it's cold but hot. So you got the shorts. I love this. This is giving like New England spring, fall. I love this. So freaking cute. This is by far my favorite. What do you guys think? I think the boots are cute. Also would look cute with like boat shoes, clogs, you name it. But I love these little boots. I think they're adorable. They're from LL Bean. Adorable. They're the wellies, which were so popular back when I was in college. Anyway, I like the little like short ankle one too. That was look number 4. What do you guys think? I think they were all really cute. Some fun ones, some not like super cold fall, but I feel as though since I traveled to the Midwest and it's still warm where you guys are, you can vibe out with me and know that we want it to be fall, but it is not fall yet. I mean, it is, but it's not feeling like fall. So that is it, you guys. Those were my 4 fall Pinterest outfit video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, inspiration, not replication. And don't forget to check out HEFANG if you're looking for more kind of like unique elegant, everyday, but really playful jewelry. I think you guys are going to love it. So whether you're looking for like event type jewelry, whether it's a beach vacation or something like that, or you just want some like more elevated everyday pieces, check them out. I definitely think the court pearl earrings are my favorite, but I go to New Mexico this coming spring. The starry shell earrings and necklace, as well as the vacation shell necklace, are definitely getting packed. So I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching. A big shout out to them for partnering with me on today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon.